And a very good morning to you all. Welcome. This is our first day in Svalbard. It's around 9 in the morning. We just had daylight savings time. And it's a nice, lovely minus 19 degrees Celsius, which honestly doesn't even feel that cold at the moment. It's pretty nice. Got some lovely weather. The sun is about to come over the horizon. And we've got a whole lovely Arctic city to explore. So this right here is the city of Longyearbyen. It's the world's northernmost city. Well, debatably, it's the world's northernmost settlement that could actually be considered something like a city. It's got a population of about 2,000 people, and you know, you can compare it to a few other places. You've got something like Fjord in Canada. You've got some different cities in Russia that I can't remember the name of right now. But it isn't exactly the northernmost human settlement in the world. That honor goes to Alert Canada. However, Alert Canada has a very temporary population, if any at all, as it's a research station. And then there is one city up above, New Alisund. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm not Norwegian. But yeah, that city is also a scientific city. They have a very limited permanent population. So when it comes to cities with a permanent population above the Arctic Circle, close to the North Pole, this is it, Longyearbyen. So you may wonder, why Longyearbyen? Why is this place called that? It's an interesting name. Well, funnily enough, it's actually the name of the first person that set up a mining operation on here. It was an American guy. And yeah, the guy's name was Longyear. So it was a very fitting name, given the strange phenomenon that this place experiences in the winter and the summer, with the endless winter and the endless summer, the endless day and the endless night, I guess. And yeah, but man, as we come around here, we start to see the beautiful vista. And damn, this is impressive. Well, I certainly picked a good time to be here. You've still got the snow on the ground, because yes, actually, even though we are in the Arctic, most of this will be gone in a few weeks once the big summer starts. But also, a certain Mr. Tom Cruise is on the island, which I found out after I booked my trip, of course, taping Mission Impossible 8. So apparently he's living in a boat somewhere in the harbor. So who knows? Maybe we'll find ourselves an Ethan Hunt. Man, listen to that snow. What a beautiful sound. Well, I've already made my second Arctic mistake. I'm totally overdressed on top, and down below I only have pants, and I didn't put on any long underwear. Don't know why I did that. Now I'm cooking on top and my legs are freezing, so I'm gonna return to the hotel, put some long johns on, and then we'll go to the store, we'll get some sunscreen, and then we're ready to go. All right, we are back. I am back wearing proper pants, more prepared, less layers so I don't sweat. And here we go. Looks like I got a bit cocky with my cold tolerance on the legs, which is something you absolutely cannot do here. You always have to be prepared and ready. And yeah, I'm glad I learned this lesson in my first journey out of the hotel, because that is something that's very important for the next week. So, good one there. So, without further ado, time has come to check out the city center, if you can even call it that. One thing you may notice in Svalbard is an extreme prevalence of Toyota, which I believe is because there is only one dealership on this archipelago, Toyota dealership, which makes me wonder how the Mercedes and Subaru in the parking lot got here. But Question for another day. Here we have Svalbardbutikken. Basically, shopping mall. Oh, looks like it's closed. Should be open. Okay, no guns allowed. Curious. Maybe it's that it's Sunday. Ah, yes. Sunday. Opens at 3 o'clock. Okay. Well then, I think it's time for some lunch. Now, as it is Sunday, and the entire city seems to be closed for business, it's time to check out the one place that's open. Kroa. Thank you. Wow. Well, here we are at the top of the world, drinking ice cold Red Bull. Got some soup, a pulled pork sandwich coming. The start of a crazy, crazy week. What a spot. Wow, it wouldn't be a trip to Svalbard without sampling the local beer. Delicious. Probably I'm not even a big Weiss beer fan. They didn't have the Pilsner, so I went for the Weiss beer. But wow, very good. What a spot. Lovely. Wow, very good. It's really a testament to what it is to be a human, to go somewhere so far north and to just provide such quality. You'd think being in such a remote spot, you'd be stuck living off of, you know, freeze-dried food and frozen army rations, basically, but not the case. Well, after a lovely lunch, I sure do like the word lovely, don't I? We are back out in the elements. What a piece of ice. All right. Well, the time has come to pack my stuff and do a final check with the crew of the expedition that I will be joining tomorrow. So this seems as a fitting time as any to let you guys know about what the plan is, because, you know, I didn't just come here to go hang out in nice hotels and bars, as nice as they are. I mean, they're lovely, lovely. But no, this journey is a lot more than that. Tomorrow we start a 200-kilometer trek through the Arctic wilderness by dog sled, where we will eventually reach an old Cold War spy radio station, which has been turned into a nice boutique bar and hotel. So it seems to be a theme out here. But on the way, we will be camping. We will be spending the night outside, braving the Arctic elements with people I've never met before, sled dogs. Gonna really follow in the footsteps of Roald Amundsen and Willem Barents and all the other brave souls that have crossed this land before. I am very excited, but I'm not gonna lie, it's also a little bit intimidating. So that's why we're here. That's why people go to Svalbard. You don't come here to relax. You come here to learn something new about yourself and something about the world. So it's time to go back and get packing. All right, and off we go to the equipment check. Hopefully to buy some sunscreen, because the store is almost open too. Another little random fact I just learned, it's not really related to Svalbard, kind of is, but it's related to the word Thursday. In Norwegian, the word for Thursday is torsdag, which I realized when I heard it must mean Thor, right? Like the guy from, you know Thor, the god. And then I asked around a bit, and I realized that in Dutch and in German, you have Donderdag and Donnerstag, which means Thunder Day. So whether you like it or not, if you live in the West, Thor still has an impact on you. So yeah. Back over the bridge. Sun is moving in a circle. Just like last night, we'll see the sun move over there for another beautiful polar sunset. Let's go. All right, that was the equipment check. Looks like a really solid group, good people, good adventure coming up. Equipment's all good to go. Now I just got to get my sunscreen. We're ready to rock. What's going on, guys? Hey, hey. Yeah, the dogs here are very, very intelligent, extremely well trained. I'm really excited to spend some quality time with them crossing the vast expanse of the Arctic. Let's go. Store's open now. Went to the sports store to get a little bit of sunscreen, but I promised you guys a trip into the supermarket, so let's go see what it's like. I haven't seen it yet either. Wow. Well, what a place. Well, it's nice to know that even up north, they cannot resist the thrill of a nice popsicle. Amazing, they actually have fresh produce here. That was that. So now, let's go back to the hotel, repack everything, drop our stuff off, and see what's next. Last preparations before we go. It's a bit of a mess in here, but yeah. Crew looks super solid. Very excited. I'm gonna go get some beers with them before we set off tomorrow. So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. All right, we are back outside. Just walking around before I meet the expedition guys for some beers. And yeah, sun's starting to come down over the edge there. Gonna have a nice, crazy sunset. What a view, man. There we see some local houses, which, yeah, all painted different colors for when the big snowstorm comes. Make it easy to get home. Now, that's a school. Can you imagine growing up, playing with your friends outside there? Wow. Unreal. City's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's quite the, yeah, I mean, it's not really a metropolis, but it is quite a spot for sure. Here we have a scenic overview. Amazing. This guy's a classic Longyearbyen site. Minor tribute. Back at the supermarket. What a walk. What a place. After a very lovely few drinks with the expedition crew, who I'm very excited to join for the next few days out in the wilderness, I've gotten myself a signature lemon tart drink and reindeer pizza. Wow. Svalbard. Amazing. What a beautiful place. I am absolutely mind blown by this. Just blown away. Just wow. I guess that's a snowmobile track, so I shouldn't walk on it. Man. How is this real? Well, tonight we say, for at least the next 5 days, good night to Longyearbyen. And tomorrow morning we say good morning to the Arctic adventure. As if this hasn't been adventurous enough already. Because wow, it's about to get real. I'll see you in the morning, guys. Take care.